Twoloosebricks here with a, well, kind of, it's Toys R Us Canada, Epic Adventure Days, and, well, anyway, let's say it's going to be pretty cool. There's a whole bunch of them coming up. Right now, they have, on Saturday, you can be an Epic Lego builder, and you build something or scene Lego Movie 2, which I don't even know if it's out yet, but maybe it's coming out this weekend, I'm not sure. And you get to take home a free, so that's pretty cool. Coming up after that, the 26th of January, the following Saturday, it's a parent and toddler creative playtime. Now you have to be an art club member to participate in this and register. And you get to build a Lego Duplo to take them home. So that's kind of neat if a toddler or something like that or whatever. So that's kind of cool. So the Saturday after that, you build an original Lego character. So I guess it's like the octopus like they show there. Maybe something from the movie. Or maybe it's something that you build on your own. Yes, it's something you build on your own. See, it says right here, use bricks to build your own original Lego character and take it home. A pile of bricks there, and because usually they have, you know, things allotted out for builds. So that's kind of cool. And the 9th of February, which is a Saturday, the following week after that, Emmett's House or the Rocket Rescue. Now this is a kit they actually offer at Lego, but not this one. They do and they don't. This is a miniature or a micro build of it. So it's a 2-in-1 make and take. So that's really cool because you can do it in either the house or the rocket. So that's really cool. They do offer the full-size one though for sale at Lego, and Toys R Us will probably have that as well. So, you know, that's pretty cool. So there's a couple of events coming up. There's like 4 events listed. Saturday, January 19th, January 26th, February 9th. Sorry guys that live in the US, that Toys R Us in the US. I used to go there all the time when I was down, and I used to get some really, really awesome deals. Better than I could at Toys R Us Canada. Toys R Us Canada just does not have the deals that I wish they did have. That being said, check out your calendars, Canadians, and anyway, Twoloosebricks over and out for now, and I'll talk to you again shortly in another video with more news. Bye for now. That's about it for me today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below, and hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time we upload a video. Take care, and I will talk to you guys again in the next video very shortly.